So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Users. And then click on your username. And now once we're here, you want to create a new text document. So right click on the blank space and then click on New and then click on Text Document. You want to call this .wsl config and then click on Enter. Now once we have this, you want to open it up. You want to copy and paste this code right here. It's going to be down below in the description. Just highlight this, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come to here and then do Ctrl+V to paste it. Now you want to click on File and then click on Save. We can now resolve this. By the way, you want to click on View on the top and then click on Show. Make sure you have file name extensions ticked. You should not be seeing the file name extension. If this is .txt, you want to remove it. So just right click, Show More Options, Rename, and then remove the .txt part on the end. And then click on Enter. And then click on Yes. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in WSL space -- shutdown and then click on Enter. Once you do all of that, the problem should be fixed.